Okay, the next hardware feature we're going to discuss is the C5 docking station. The C5 will only fit into the docking station one way, and that's screen forward to the forward part of the docking chassis itself. On the front of the docking station, we have two LEDs. The first LED on the left has a little battery indicator at the top, or a silkscreen battery indicator. This LED provides you with the status of the spare battery that is charging in the rear of the docking station. When inserted in the rear, an amber LED states that it is charging, and when it is green, it's 100% charged. The other LED has a little tablet icon above it. This indicates that the C5 is properly docked within the docking station. For example, I'll release it. Notice how the LED is off. This is important because when you are docked properly and the green light is activated, you are charging the unit. So the C5 is charging in the dock when it is seated properly. So to remove the C5 from the docking system, there are two ways of doing it. The first way is to just support the dock with your fingers and just pull it straight out. The other way, on the top right hand corner, there's an eject button. When you press the eject button, it gently lifts it and assists in removing the C5 from the docking station. Behind the right hand corner here, there's a button that allows you to select 3 different viewing angles. For example, this view angle here at the most extreme is great if you're going to be writing or tapping within an application. When in storage or when you have bright lights, fluorescent lights, straight up, it will assist you greatly in seeing the screen, and there's a midway point as well. Now, on the rear of the C5, you'll notice that we have our battery, our spare battery installed. Again, it is easily removed and only can be inserted one way. There's a support plate that supports it when it's at its greatest angle, so it will not tip. In some accounts, the facilities group or IT group are actually using the support plate to attach it via wood or metal screws, or even a screw and bolt assembly, to surfaces so the docking stations can't be moved. So that's another way of securing the docking station. On the right-hand side, there is a VGA port, so you can actually mirror or extend the tablet PC display to a larger monitor. On the other side, you have a Kensington-type lock slot, so you can actually use the bicycle chain type lock to lock this assembly to a desk or a chair. Here's your Ethernet port for your wired LAN connection. You have 3 powered USB ports, 2 horizontal and 1 vertical. This is where you would attach your USB keyboards, a mouse, an optical disk drive, whatever you have for a USB device. And then you have your AC power adapter connection.